I actually wasn't interested in being a machinist. I actually came down here after I got out of the Marine Corps and signed up for automotive. And my mom and my wife came down here and actually changed my major. So they signed me up for a machine tool program because they said they didn't want me working on cars. So the day that I walked in here and I talked to Richard Dickert, who was the instructor at that time, his first question was, why you want to be a machinist? I said, because my mama wanted me to be. That was probably one of the best decisions they'd ever done for me. This is a humbling job. It's a very fulfilling job. I consider myself more of a machinist than I do a teacher. And that's kind of the way I run my programs, is I want them to know the job shop type atmosphere. I think they can learn a lot more that way. You don't go to work if you love what you do. And this is the kind of job that I have now, is I love what I do, so it's not really a job.